Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Sequoia side mirror. Start by gathering tools and a matching replacement mirror. Remove the interior panel carefully to access wiring and fasteners. Disconnect the electrical connector gently and set the panel aside. Remove mounting bolts and lift the old mirror away. Test the new mirror wiring before final reassembly to confirm power and adjustment function, then begin by gently prying off the small interior trim triangle covering the mirror base. Use a plastic trim tool to prevent damage and work from the edges toward the center. Once the cover is off, locate the electrical connector and disconnect it by pressing its release tab. Keep track of any sound-deadening foam or clips you remove and place them safely aside. This keeps reassembly simple and prevents rattles later on. With the trim removed, support the mirror assembly from outside while you remove the mount nuts. Carefully pull the mirror away from the door, guiding the wiring harness through the hole. Position the new mirror and feed its wiring into the cavity, then loosely thread the mounting nuts to hold it in place. Reconnect the electrical plug and test mirror adjustments and heating if equipped. Tighten nuts evenly, verify alignment, and reattach the interior trim securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.